Good morning guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo ito. Dati sa probinsya, tinatabas lang namin yan. Kasi, hindi mamumunga yung mga nyug kapag marami nito. Eh dito sa Amerika, gintong-ginto ito. Oh. Ayan, gintong-ginto siya. Oh. Napakamahal niyan dito kung bibilhin mo. Ayan. Kaganda oh. Oh, diba? Napakaganda ng bulaklak na yan. Gustong gusto ko yan. Tawag natin nito sa amin asin-asin eh. Awan ko tawag nito sa inyo. Asin-asin ang tawag nito sa amin noon. Awan ko anong tawag niya sa inyo. Sa lugar ninyo. Tawag sa amin yan asin-asin. Napakaganda ng bulaklak. Mahal-mahal yan dito. Bibilin mo. Ang mahal niyan. Pag bibilhin mo. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. Yan ho, yung resort nating pupuntahan. Oh, ayan yung kugon. Pero sa amin ang tawag niyang kugon. Ayan dito halaman yan. Oh, lahat ng damo dito halaman sa Amerika. Ayan, kugon. Ang mahal niyan bibilhin mo. Kugon lang eh. Kugon lang. Pinantatabas lang. Dito ko bibenta mong mahal niyan. Kikita ka ng napakamahal niyan. Oh. Nandito na tayo sa resort. Ayan. Nasa resort. See? Ay, mga kugon siya. Oh. Ups doon ang view. Yan mga bundok. Oh. Ganda ng mga bundok. Ayan, reserve yan sa mga VIP. Ayan, mga pinaka high roller na gambler dito. May private ano sila, private parking. Ayan, kugon. O diba, kugon lang yan. Kugon lang. Ayan. Your parking required if you're high roller. Here we go. O diba? Nandito tayo sa loob ng resorts. Ayan, sa resorts na tayo. Dito tayo sa loob ng casino. Casino ay resort. Ganito dito. Tingnan natin kung may panglaro.
Welcome.
Oh, welcome daw. Oh, mayroon tayong panglaro. Oh. Ayan, oh, may panglaro tayo. Libre. Oh. There you go. Do it, one more. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin dyan. So, bigay nilang free. $0.50 or tayo. 50 cents lang ang bid natin. Come on, bonus. Ito ho ang pre-spin. Pakakuha kang 3 in up pre-spin. Ito yung high speed. Ito yung wild. Come on, bonus. Oh, $20. Nothing. Come on, do it. Do it again. Come on, bonus. We need a bonus. Come on. Come on, Buffalo. Lower natin sa 20 cents. Oh. Nanalo tayo sa 20 cents. Come on, bonus. We need that coin. Hindi pa nag-connect. 5 cents. Cash out. Ayan na. Sa $20, binigyan tayo ng sa $20 free play, yan na nakuha natin, $17. So, i-load natin uli yung the rest. May ano pa tayo, may $15 left pa tayo. Ayan. $15. There you go. There you go, another 15. Try natin 50 cents again. Oh, come on. Yeah, 25 cents. Two more, one more. Yes. We got it. 3 coins. 1, 2, 3. Come on, 50 cents bet. Come on. Ouch. Sorry. Do it. 3 coins. Yeah, well, that's the wild. Wild. 3 wild. Oh my gosh. 3 wild. Wild. Come on. One more. Yeah, we got the trigger. Another 5 spin. 3 wild, please. Don't waste it. We have queen. See, during the bonus, this one is counted, what we have in here. But much better if we got buffalo. Wild, come on. The trigger, wild. Oh my gosh, it didn't connect. Come on, 3 wild. Yes. Yes. Another 5 spin. Another 5 spin. So far we got 23 spin. Oh. Wild. Oh my god. We need characters and 3 wilds, please. Come on. Yeah, another 5. So we got 28 spin so far. 3 wild. Oh my god. Look at the whiz of wild. Another. Oh god, we got 33 spin. 33 spin, not giving nothing. Wild. There you go. That's a good one. How much is it? Incredible. This is incredible. 10 bucks. Okay. One more. Wild, please. Lady smiling. 50 cents bid lang ho tayo. 50 cents. That's a winner. Oh, I want the buffalo here. We have 9 more spin. 9 more spin. One more. Come on. One more. Oh, we got what? 38. 38 spin. Another 5. What? Oh, 43 spin. 43 spin total. No. Wild, please. Oh, wild. One more. Come on, 3 wild, please. 3 wild. Ah, one more. Money, wild. Oh my God. No, wasting the wild. 2 more left. One more. Oh. One more. That's it. We make 25. And we have 10 more free spin. 10 more dollars. Okay. Try natin 20 cents. Oh! What's that, 12 bucks? Earlier they didn't show up. Gawin natin 60 cents. One more. Oh, come on. Still have 380 on the free play that they give us. So the $15 free play, we got $51. Yeah. Oh, di ba? Balik natin, tingnan na, total ng ating napanalunan. We have $35 free play. Yan, total $68. Ayan ho, nagkasino tayo ng walang pera. Wala tayong hinulog na pera. Yan ay tinatawag na free play. So, nilaro natin yung $35 at nanalo tayo ng $68. May panggasolina na tayo. Ayan. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Libre yung pagsusubscribe. Ayan, libre. Okay? Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.